Good morning. Spring is definitely in the air, which is kind of nice. I can get to the lighter jackets and stuff, but I'm heading down today. We're going to head down, do some work on Gary's bus. I don't know exactly what he has planned. I know it's brakes. We got to check into his clutch. He's been having some, I guess, I don't know, I'm not going to say issues, but just some odd feelings that's come from the clutch. So just want to check that out and try do a couple different things. I think like an adjustment or something. So I'll bring you along and you'll see what we're up to today.
All right, well, I got a little sidetracked here. When we got here, we were going to change out some tires on Gary's buses, but he's also in the process of swapping rims out. So he's going to be going from a steel rim to an aluminum rim. And the place where we're at, they've got a bus here that's basically getting ready to go to the scrapyard that has aluminum rims. So we're going to take those off of there, put new tires on the aluminum rims, and then put them on Gary's bus. But in the process, I said, well, if we're scrapping out a bus and stuff, why don't we take the old Webasto here? So that's actually what I'm working on, is getting this Webasto out. And so that way I have, you know, a spare or maybe just some parts for the one on my bus. And I'll get back to it. That one's about only 500 more turns on this one. Of course, it's got to be. Here's where all the rusted part gets into. So once I get this off the frame, the front one there has already been disconnected. We've already roasted that off with a cutting, just because there was no way to. The bottom of that bolt was so corroded you couldn't even get a wrench on it. Then what I'll do is I'll disconnect this fuel line over here, the other coolant hose on the back, and then I'll disconnect the electricals, and we should be good.
We need to get in there so that we can.
rock, so it just screwed up.
But
It's off the ground. We don't care as long as the wheel comes off.
Probably because it's that so long.
That's why I said lock that way, not
Yeah.
because it's.
Yeah, there's no emergency brake on that part, right?
No. No.
Just lack of air pressure. That's.
I think it's all rust is what I think it is.
Well, it had to have moved, right?
Well, it was rolling, but it looked like when it got to the concrete, it locked up.
Oh.
Drag
Oh no! I locked it up.
Oh.
Because
he was trying to jerk my head. He didn't like it where I was stopping. He had to stop on his own.
that's right.
He's big time.
That's right. Said I've always wanted to try an emergency brake stop.
Sure.
And I didn't think Ray was going to stop. At one point, I thought he was going to launch over that berm over there.
Great,
So
man. Keep going for it.
I looked at the speedometer. It said like 80 by the time we got up here.
I know. I said the rolling. I said, well, I don't need a motor now.
Oh, it's a new one. Follow that one. Now you get it out. I'm gonna see that just jump right off. Be better, Jesse, if you took all the nuts off them. Well, I don't know. You come look, see if I'm wrong. But there's 2 of them on there I see. But if you don't see them, maybe there's 3 on there.
Yeah, there's 4.
Yeah, well, these are things that'll stop it from coming off. You may not need the sledgehammer, you know?
Yeah.
I'm just guessing at that, Jesse.
I was just thinking about those.
Pretty one. Yeah, I hear you.
I was reminded of my fireworks the other day. Yeah.
Okay, well, he's playing. He's got to get the hammer and the chisel and knocking it off and cutting the whole damn thing off. Gotta be. There it is. Where now? You need the hammer on?
Yep.
Need a hammer, huh? Okay. Wait, let's get the rest of the wheel moving and maybe it'll pop through the slide. I'm sure it'll pop off. If not, we get.
Put a damn can of ether up in there. Only takes a little bit. It might go up like that. No, we're waiting on you.
Put a little air in it.
Okay.
All right.
Remember when you squirt, you got to squirt so you got something to light up.
We do. There we go.
No, you don't stand there.
I don't know. When this bitch blows, you might
come off of there.
Getting warm now.
That's all right. We do it again.
Back those together. There it goes. That one bad. Had to heat up a little. It's already full of air, Jesse.
That's why I say a lot of times you got to kick them. But I went.
Bye.